Let's explore the features of our mini honey pump. First, it can be powered by a 12-volt DC battery, offering portability and solutions for off-grid use. Second, it operates on standard 110 to 220-volt AC household power. The pump offers dual AC out DC power compatibility. It features stepless speed control, adjustable from 0 to 100%. Third, an optional filter can be attached for honey purification, capable of filtering up to 600 kilograms per hour. Fourth, it's excellent for transferring honey, capable of moving 40 kilograms in approximately 4 minutes. This versatile pump requires no additional tools or air pumps. It's ready to use with either 12 volts DC or 110 to 220 volts AC power. Compact and portable, it's an essential tool for efficient honey transfer and filtering.